Do a quick video before I leave work. I just came up with this little system. It's a Husky 2-bag right here. I have the Key-Bak. Former boss suggested it to keep your master keys here, so when you're working on the building you won't lose it. And this one I just put on right now, my extractors, because it has a little loop, little button right there you can hook. And then it's my pick set, the small one, plug spinner, Home Depot 6-in-1 screwdriver, flashlight, mini mag, little Milwaukee Pliers, another screwdriver, the 2-in-1, you can pull it out. Let's see on the other side. Okay. And last time I had to decode a Kwikset lock, so I was thinking of keeping, I have one here, Schlage depth keys in there, and a Kwikset depth key. I was thinking have that in there, and then put a follower here, and then one Kwikset too to go with this. So this would be kind of like my basic, so I don't have to carry all my tools. This is my tool bag here. I'll go through that later. I wanted to make a video on this bag for a long time. And this is a Home Depot bucket with 2 bags. Close it, opens up. Got more goodies in there. Alright, well I just thought I'd make a quick video before I leave. Okay, alright, bye. Like, subscribe.